Hey there, welcome to the channel where we make content creation easy and help you get the most out of everything you create. Today, we're talking about a super handy strategy, how to turn a YouTube video into a blog post using ChatGPT. Whether you're a creator, marketer, or just someone looking to save time, this trick is a game changer. Let's jump in. Why turn a YouTube video into a blog post? Why even bother turning a YouTube video into a blog post? Here are 3 solid reasons. Better SEO. Blog posts help your content show up on Google and drive more traffic to your site. Different preferences. Some people love videos, others love reading. Why not cater to both? More bang for your buck. One video can become blog posts, social media, captions, newsletters, you name it. Now let's break it down step by step. Most YouTube videos have transcripts. Just go to the bottom of your chosen video description, find the button Show Transcript. On the right side, the transcript will appear. To remove the timestamps, go to these 3 dots. Click on them and you will have the option to toggle them off. Now select all the text you need. Hit Ctrl+C, and you're good to go. Open up ChatGPT, log in, and paste your copied transcript. Go to the beginning of the text and write the prompt. Rewrite this text with correct punctuation and in grammatically correct sentences. ChatGPT will smooth out the text, turning it into something way more readable. Now refine the content. If you want it to sound more like your usual writing, copy a few paragraphs from your existing blog post and ask the ChatGPT to rewrite it in a similar voice. That way, you will be able to keep your unique tone intact. Now click on this small button to copy the blog post, open your Word document or the text editor you use, and paste it here. Take a final pass through the text. Fix anything that feels off, add examples, and make sure it flows well. And if you're using someone else's content for inspiration, stay mindful of copyright rules. Play around with ChatGPT, test different prompts, and have fun with it. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and ring that bell so you don't miss out on more tips. Thanks for hanging out with me today, and I'll see you in the next one. Take care.